Hi, this is Christina Hills from the Website Creation Workshop, and it is here, the Black Friday sale on Elegant Themes Divi theme. And that is the theme that I use for the Website Creation Workshop. So here's how you get this. You want to click Get the Deal before it's gone, and it will scroll you down to the bottom. Now, if you're curious, in between, there's a whole bunch of bonuses and stuff. You don't even need to look at this. So I would just ignore that and come down here for your choice. Now let me explain the difference. So Elegant Themes Divi theme typically comes where you pay $67 a year. So that gives you access to all themes, all plugins, updates, support, etc. But they also have a lifetime access, and last year I signed up for this to get this awesome discount. That means you sign up for a one-time fee of $187 and you are going to get lifetime access to the Divi theme, Divi Extra, all their themes, all their plugins, etc. So this is definitely the better deal, but if you're not sure and you just want to pay $67 a year, you can sign up for that one. Now, if you're already a current customer and you want to upgrade, you can click here and go ahead and upgrade. Maybe last year you bought the annual one and you want to upgrade for lifetime. But if you're new, you would pick one of these. This is definitely the better deal, so I'll click over here. And then you enter, you pick a username, put in your email address, pick a password, first name, last name, and it shows you the payment you're going to make. It's a one-time payment, and then you're going to click to complete the registration. So that is it. Let me back up. That is how you sign up for Elegant Themes Divi theme. Get it while it's on hot for this Black Friday sales. You are going to love it. This is Christina Hills from the Website Creation Workshop.